Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Nextdoor for local business promotions. First, we're going to go on create our profile. First, all you're going to do is to go onto their official website and select a specific account that you wanted to create. Like for example, this one. Enter your name and then add a business name. For example, I'm going to type here on Shelby Limited and select on next. Now from here, enter the specific business address. And now from here, enter the category of your business. For example, I'm going to type here on to the ATM and then click on claim page. And then after you establish your account, enter the information that will display onto your business page and then select your desired privacy settings and click on add your page. And now from there, you can just simply engage with the community like post helpful tips, local updates, or service highlight the neighborhood newsfeed. You can also offer local deals, like use the local deals feature to share discounts, promotions, or limited time offers. You can also request recommendations and advertise with sponsored posts. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.